Guys, welcome back to Gamer Studio Play. And today, if you don't hear tram, then I'm filming in the morning, and so in the afternoon we film together. We get together and then we film. But I'm going to be filming early, and on my previous video, if you guys watched that video, you guys heard that I am going to a parent-teacher conference. And so I'm filming in the morning, so you guys just know that. And in the afternoon, I'm going to be filming sort of fastless tram. So that's the whole point. So I'm going to be playing Rising, I think it's called Rising Chef 2. It's a pretty fun game. Not bad, but pretty fun. It's going to be loading. So look how fun that is. I think I'm on day. Oh, what do I? Oh, okay. Oh, day 1. Play. I think I'm on level 14. Okay, let's see what the first customer wants. Oh, he wants this bitch. Oh, pretty good. Well, how could you mix bread? That's not possible. Oh, guys, this is getting so difficult. Oh no! Oh, customers are going to be yelling at me. Oh my god, I haven't even started the milk. Let's see, how do you make the bed here? Ah! Bacon. Customers getting so bad. Guys, we did it! We did all 12 customers. It was so stressed. So I'm going to be playing one round this morning. So I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Let me down in the comments if you guys want me to play this more. And make sure you guys subscribe, hit the like button, and click the notification bell so you can be on all of our posted videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!